Hi guys, if you are getting issues in the Laravel 11, this video is specially designed for resolving the Laravel 11 issues. So when you will install the Laravel 11 application using Composer or globally, so you will face this that couldn't find driver connection SQLite pragma foreign key issues, right? And when you will visit your application, right, it will say couldn't find driver, right? So how to resolve this issue? So basically this one is issue is about my SQLite, just SQLite, right? So by default Laravel 11 application added to the database default database as SQLite, so that's why you are facing that issue. And if I open the project, let me navigate to the project Laravel 11 advanced, and let me open the code in the text editor. So I'll show you in a minute. Okay, just open this .env file here, and by default these are commented and this one is set to SQLite, right? If you want to use SQLite, you need to enable the SQLite from your local environment, right? If you don't know how to do this, so simply go to your CMD, right, any of the command line, and here in this command line you can type php .ini, so it will open your CLI ini file, right? Or you have option to go here where you have installed your local server, right? In my case I installed the Laragon, so just go to the Laragon, then www, and then this not www directory, just go to this bin directory, and then this bin contain a php, and then whatever the version you are using, I'm using php 8.2, and then this one is a php.ini file, right? But if you are not sure where it's located, just type this php.ini and it will open your code summon here, right? So simply type this here SQLite here, okay, enter this, and then this line is commented, right? So just go here and uncomment this, save the changes, and then restart the server. In my case I'm using Laragon, so I'm restarting my Laragon service, right? So just to refresh, and yes, it's restarted, and still if we'll give it a refresh, you will still facing the issue. Why? Because we are using the SQLite here, right? And by default Laravel session drivers is also set to the database. So if you make this file, you are not using the database at that time, so just go here and give it a refresh, so your issue will be resolved. And yes, Laravel 11 application is boom launched, right? So in this way you can resolve the issue, and later on you can also change the database. If you don't want to use the SQLite, you can do it the different one, or if you want to use a database here later on, so you can add this database too. And then by default Laravel 11 is adding here database.sqlite file here. So in this way you can resolve your issues, and if you want to use a different database, you can. So hope you like this video, and if you want to get more updates from the Laravel 11, I have launched the Laravel 11 course. So subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for the next videos. Bye bye.